John Mahama legacy na ye kase this is a legacy term no ade aga na fo akoma bejo so enye dan obesi opa wonya kwan kosi kumase ni nyina no ye bebo ne samrane wo ni history ni but ye be maga na fo akoma to mo yem pa e chance akwan na obi yi no ene so be accountable governance sika yan ko fo yi wia ene obi na wunim se kane no oje dama ene atusre wanya bintu wo ye ya no okeka kwasa asem kire kwasia pa no mu du batem so kwasia pa kronunti ene wanya ne ho tom abai wa no mu nipa ne da so di agro omo ya no makodan omo bia boni no makoye company Cyprus no mo di aba etu hu nipa o se tire abai wa mu nipa ene enkonfo mo bo kronu ni bi di agro NAPO kuka yesi na no wa ebinum eni ngri kura ebinum fi se wo se ye fa ne se enyanuado na Yesu Kristo na da bia ya mede ne ye mfato hu na ye kwa asori da bia ye kotie na asem no wo ko ne papa ne dan mu a na nkofo bo chacha omoto nyoma wa chimpre
okay
na o de he chacha na fa compare wo bia wo no timi fa o man sika e de wasa misirem ni anu dia pa na ko sempre dia so obi part mi hwaga na fonim na watimi asesan krata e dia beje o man for prepaid e hiafo e prepaid sika muso me nwoche na wadi no one organize program shame to you NDC for mo attend here we na penny o akolo shame to you yes kan dwa nanka se nanka nam yechi ti sebi se okoto se abo bi si unua so a nka se won so ne so ka che ne se won so yen so san so the free ne so a
or the beba so
obetimi the about so
okay
everyone is a potential victim and as far as I'm concerned abani be adwuma nyina wie 2016 I remember vividly I had now met not many of the NDC folks.
Okay.
I remember I think 2012 time me sha se me ne MPP Ayrton kwanta pai when after 2010 di Alanchamatechi year campaigner me hu say Akufo Addo ne abeyi dom no
o abeyi dom
awa ebeyfo obi a won pani o maye bia wo beyfo omo afa kwati kwan so echinchim ala ne nsa na ono soso ono nkwa nanim nyame so bibia o de enya hwe nyame mre ne mre pa na mka kire ne say me no I don't believe in that nonsense even though I couldn't have said that to my boss. But I inherently felt it was nonsensical. Sa nyame be there be.
Okay.
Osoro boa de oboa na.
Okay.
Enti me hu say the way a enuoma ekọ no Alan Chematin's presidential bid is bound to crash.
Okay.
Now me say who say Akufo Addo was on a very cunning and strategic spree to destroy not only Ghana but the MPP no and I'm me who free. I predicted all these. These are videos that people send to me every day.
Wow.
To the extent say penikesi pa MPP mo. Okache me say nka me kwaso fudi anka me ya archbishop. Yes.
Because of one
semester. Also for ya when na mo say o predict o prophecy. I had said everything. Bibie no me kan Akufo Addo anye.
Wow.
Bibie no bibia me ka che obia say Akufo Addo I'm quoted to have said me say John 10:10 Akufo Addo ntini e cho no Bible mu.
And then
yes, we for ma. I just will be wia na wakumu no asel. Na Yesu so gina no say na me dia me ba say me benya nkwa. Na mo nya ne mo so. Na Yesu o kasa no ono no ntimi nye no this word in them nipa so
okay
to know the nam John Mahama so entino sa prophetic video bia ube say akwa bi John Mahama and omo ya animation bi no woka bass na bass ne kwa na mu nipa no Akufo Addo gina baabi na ode nsem dewa ketrema wo di mu nkonfo asum me bass ya mutini na se bass ye enkoyi me de ndie be koyi afei omo nyina asi ekofro ne bass omo koya ne bass ne current means packet wi ase na chese e wo so omo nyina de mirika ebe fro John Mahama bass no
back
I said say this is a prophecy ebebem.
Wow.
Enuntina obekaya 2012 John Mahama remi wiye ni mu ho na omo hyase John Mahama ye kronfo wa yeseyo na wa mu de na aircraft wa kofa we omo kaya di na me catch NDC for ne say omo making sure say on be react to ade bi MPP beka because MPP suban from Nkrumah pencil and suban bone a ebo man omo beka ma de ani ho aye ho ama atobi ntrim ama be di omo trim dem de broni friend cancer no ya okua enye ebe do time a wo be wa de se wo kwa kope anu aduro no na aye minya yanka na mihu yanka
na kachi
eni aduro yanka eni aduro it is otan eni aduro it is obi etanwa e wo se wo so feel se aduasam yenu e che ne se otan me ametan afa obegya tan no hwe nyansa from jimi wo se otan ya eni aduro yan fantan nipa enti obegya enu to be so I'm in protest
okay
abani betima ya nyuma nyina te said 2016 enye se John Mahama wa anya adwuma o
oye nema.
Look, John Mahama outperformed every government in the Fourth Republic in just one term.
One term.
For
4 years now.
He outperformed everything, President Akufo, everything, including Rawlings in the yes, John Mahama outperformed every government in the Fourth Republic in one term.
Infrastructure.
Yeah. And so opposition. And to not quite we any yame. Obi enim se John Mahama nim kwa yi dada. Dey hear me titiu and say ye ba be discuss.
Yeah.
Na weti sam. Ha na wo kwache no. So I am still in protest. One, against that behavior, the snail pace your friend is saying justice system now. As I also also say there is everything to do with the judiciary. No judiciary, no. You can't say you're independent, and you're independent unto itself. What must I say? And you're done for, and you see a pajaj for muni yasem my yen. And yes, I was saying. Omuntimi nka so omu pa and omu be adwuma you are not private entities. Once you swear that oath to do public good no e was say wo som yen wo som yen enye ono de ope and wa legal vacation it be person by way of putting orderliness in the structures no if you na kwemi who's attorney general and minister for justice or the akose if you na kwemi legal vacation biem e wo Ghana ha. Yes. Who call legal vacation? I didn't call legal vacation. Who call vacation? You know what's happening? Seek taxpayers money. No one could as a judge. That be wrong. So yeah, you know. Any president to so call legal executive. No executive vacation. Opposing for so call vacation. I don't know the person who call legal vacation. And I said that I'm not a secret or no can accept. It's wrong. It's nowhere in the world apart from Ghana and a few very wrong and odd ones.
Okay.
It's wrong. And the bill massacres is to be say MPP for enya no e kasa omo koba konfobia ni suban no. Where can get your crofo be pass up John and let child send you will be betting a real. Now you're one area. What two bottom? And so say, here, I conform more skills so. Omo ba omo sako she abetiem no dia ba be fa wo be han se usika ni nyina yiko obo no adaye eto dia akpeyo makin na so okika awakoka yanka mutaka se na afi on wa be patch on nyina ye because we have a very weak structure administratively to govern the accountability of yesterday. It's very weak. And you know, they have gained notoriety. From Biano, woman gained that notoriety, say, me book running her Kwabena number for some better me. After all, check one legal vacation. Then it means, say, won't mean for no 12 years, send a gun for a
okay.
And also, we are doing now when we are saying, no one, yes, I do, man, and fat, this I want to minimize uncle for now, what fiasse. Who?
Me that's it, neighbor.
Let me say,
me that's it.
I know you one, two. Sabi, don't Mahama no one the peja and you see Abenya Nesu.
Ghana for it.
What must say? Ghana for now, or Motu Aba, peja don't Mahama Kusi Abenya Nesono. The teach me the party for many than NDC. And I fear Omoa Bemun and Rebecca's and NDC. I have kept repeating this, and with me, Coach no, the other show I say, no. And the NDC are buying a wasu, which I am proud to have associated by way of sympathizing with them in opposition to make sure they make campaign because they are the only alternative we have now.
Wow.
Only, one and only. So NDC for and take it or more and you must seriously. GrassRoot for apathy are setting in. We see why you say, and we are you say, John Mahama, or no, said Kwaku Annan, and Yemika, Tentin, or no Kwano. Want to mean Kwaye president, and the minister, and the deputy minister, and the CEO, and to mean maybe beyond or appointing the Pebini Marshall, baby, say. Monso sono, Mama Monsanso, Ato Forson. Eti ya di mawa, enye say, ya di amaw say ya di Jáil say woni wabusu anko konkodi. Say the binum appointees ni bi adwene ya omo say ya di amano na ono kura wode ne ho. Eti John Mahama must crack the whip. Resafo no achadodo. Resafo eyade a eboa ema enkofo sete up. Eti so ye minister no ye adwuma na onim say esusu so ba ko ebetimi aba pa ne resafo. It's Mesre.
Martin Ebuku.
I know you'll be pre number 2.
Okay.
Number 3 in the election.
Okay. It's come on, yes, sir. Young comedian.
For Flupa. I thought that.
Some people had Jáil. Jáil to her, and some people have because, Yanni said, we'll be a true Wakoshankwa. Now, we 2 Nakoshan. Oh, na NDC for the family. Me say me what they will say. O man penny no apanfo. Edman dey mo ye excellently. Na mo mani nko fom. Wan dia be na be say ase. Me boa. Because ka dia de kasem o mbe so me mene enam Jáil.
Martin da.
Ana me ba ran dia be ho. Oh, untimi nka tell me say. Wo ran dia be ya appoint say be ye kokobo CEO. Now the MPP for the Bayadma Cocoa Board. I was out immediately now, my penny lady. Because no man penny no driver NDC, the secretary NDC, the chief of staff NDC, and the Senate here, the other man penny so called one corner MPP for Nicoyadma. You did say no sure you can't here. It will be person best sure on my penny nantia. I was saying that.
Okay.
Let me suit my baby, I'm going to
Marty. Medasi.
Appointed Bia on the MPP for years, maybe. Let's point them out. Position they are in service to the people of this country. Then you can who almost how many MPP for years. Let's call them out. The president is when you make their president. You first warning now, model.
Medasi. Nebuku. Report.
No wonder say Kabori any Urama Buanenam. Na sebi yesi di odi exhibition di odi kananti wakasa ma wosia gu me papa asema wo se me kan nyina waka ni nyina na sabi me ko man ka binti na me de bi to so hwe me mabre ene de bia MPP ni aye bone mabre
what can bre
men kam me se me jaika
ene obekọ so aka de
bia so aka na se meka be wie na enkosi aga
free mumma
se me pa me dijo ma ma chi ye campaign na jo ma se me ba PDS me hwehwem me nte ho wa etimi di ne ho yawo anope wie nyumo mi hunu se wo ye nyuma wo koba ye bono ensamrani ahodo o se fata no na so se ba se enkofo awia o man sika ti se Gabby Asante darko na watimi asa organize program na NDC from penifo etiase na ya ma Gabby ayeti sesebi ya huru ni sesu kirema etimi ya makoma ya se me di mo ti se me ko campaign ama mo se mo sa me ni Gabby Asante darko mesresiri okrom ha na no meti mampani yeni NDC Ghana ene ya YPP Ghana menene nya adwene da sa semwe menene nya adwene kopim mu wudam na NDC fo wo Ghana ha a omo ye sese o ma fo mo aban ye wo ho NDC aban ene Ghana fo aban NDC fo aban omo ye boni a ebebo NDC di omo ye papa ebebo NDC di me na no se ya de pa me mo di wo ya de boni so ebebo di Daddy I want to tell money for you. Omoma ebe kai omo boni wabo omo akọ ahunjiem. Ti so obi ti say ni yebu a da bia me ba be kai say papa wei. So dia no akọ ji ya omo Akufo Addo be ye mampani wabo aye ni ma ba wo nya ye da bia me ka. This is history. Ye be tro ye be kan da bia ye bia no be ka maka e be internet ni so da bia ye be kai say ni yebu a Akufo Addo be ye mampani wabo aye ni ma ba dodo wo nya ye ebe wo hoda 2020 enti jo Mahama legacy na ye kase this is a legacy term no ade aga na fo akoma bejo so enye dan obesi opa wonya kwan kosi kumase ni nyina no ye bebo ne samrane wo ni history ni but ye be maga na fo akoma ato mo yempa e change akwan na obi yi no ene so be accountable governance sikaya nkofo yi wia ene obi a na wunim se kane no oje dama ene atusire wanya bintu wo ye ya no okeka kwasi asentrew kwasi apa o no mu du atem so kwasi apa krono nti ene wanya ne ho twom abai wa enum nipa ne da so di agro omo ya no makodan omo duaboni no makoye company Cyprus no mo di aba etu hu nipa o se tire abai wa mu nipa ene enkofo mo bo krono ni bi di agro na poku kwaka yesi na no wa ebinum eni ngri kura ebinum fi se wo se ye fa ne se enyamiado na Yesu Kristo na da bia ya mede ne ye mfato hu na ye kwa asori da bia ye kotie na asem no wo ko ne papa ne dan mu a na nkofo bo chacha omoto nyoma wa chimpre na o de he chacha na fa compare wo bia wo no timi fa o man sika e de wasa ni sirem ni mi enu dia pa na ko sempre dehi so obi part mi hwa na fo nim na watimi asesen krata e de abeje o man for prepaid e hia fo e prepaid sika muso me nwoche na wadi no one organize program. Shame to you, NDC for more attending here. We na penny or colo. Shame to you. Shame to you. Mahamadu Bawumia Gabby Asante Bediatuo. Asante Bediatuo na say na wo say apatene eyako. Ne boni a woni ne yire. Ma say to mu wie sika o man sika. Koto ye ne yire ayi fami. Aban na sase yesi da wo so emusika na dididie. You come under the guise of togetherness. Medium here togetherness enye. Now because we party support and obi quiet togetherness enye. Who bother rather one preach togetherness. No one farmer power. And then one case all the moya enye shi. Enyina your mind baako. Etu dey mo trouble mami. And then one case our opposition. Me na be dada me. Wo be dada me say eye bibi enti yenyi tumi from nsem. Na wo wie ya wada no hu dua broni abeka che me say enye bibi empanifo se bi hu ya nim nko se bi asuro wo nyina sama me ka hu premu le bedu baby no konti ma no yemfa nkwan bibi fo no so ya de baba mo so se wo hwe bufu e wo social media se wo hye obi on bisa wo hwe on po hwe wo kwa aka che o mampani se won chi MPP fo no ngu ono ane ka so obechi omo Jomu here from mampani wo obi anka se ne kwan nye e kwan de se obi anim se do mama be ye kwan e de se ye bonus do mama obe ye kwan obe si school dan obe si dwa ye bonus o ka se hwe express lane no so be ye kokuma se no hwe wo kan no woni de ni na si so se wo ba no na de se amafo betimi adwen se do Mahama within 1 year $1 so betimi ate adu ba bi within just 5 days and to call koso senke ne ka ye so yina ki ye ko pepetu kran ki nya bi bibia ehise bibia koso kama enye na Ghana fu aro de he se Ronaldo siwo wakose go a enwanwa se Messi akwa shake go from center line wa bo akose go a enwanwa enye nwanwa de nwanwa ni se siwo pa na de penalty ato ho se bosse no siwo over the bar enu accountability obi anim se o ma bokro no yenim obi anim ade na be before them neighbors. They are our neighbors, they are our brothers, they are our friends. We know say they have ill-gotten monies and they are doing what we call impunity. They are showcasing impunity, notoriety, media. And you are letting them get away with murder. Now, no, I know the Casa will tell Ghana. Now, I'm here with $2 million. It's what's not to. What do you mean now? I'm here with Professor Kunfi. Had you only young Okomba? Hey, NDC. You know, here. Now, you're more than a time. I am a time. You will be that. Now, the catch and now see the use of justice grind slowly. When the can't ask them, and your chrono waffle. I don't know about you, and will fear. Unyano, now call the police in Manimechino. Now, why was it no? We found quite dream. We are getting disappointed by the day. And I, for one, I will never in this world say, sir, and yashi, and the baby. So when I wouldn't say, Nephew, wouldn't be a sassy canna, everybody wouldn't be a credit to the your bar, bear move for floor. Yeah, campaign, yeah, your day, yeah, can't chunk of. Say, John Mahama, watch your Buga Pella too, Akufo Addo and Kwabena Agyapong will be any say a Buga Pella on it, John Mahama, or me and Yanum to say, and NAPO. And I said, Omo also, so what you could deny home, I have Dinasama, a bubon only a nickel 12 years. Let him with your moon corner with your moon and sumpa. Most sorry, I people for your program and I'm here. Omuni mobe kaba ti mu because omuni say o ma sika to the extent say omu ti din komo class o mu ma muskani bia mu nya o mo hwe ampa so mu nya o mo hwe han NDC e be ya kakra media me say case mu asa tu entene e be kakra ma ba no so ya fa kwa bi before no so de wo ye bone no ni hu nya hi kotere se de o to bo no anya na hi se de o ka se na ni gine wuna wuwa ba mu na wo ka tell me say na ni gire akwa no nim ska wia o me ka tell me say mo nya national audit me ka na de manual si the proposal ne say money national audit from 2017 to 2025, January 2017 to January 2025. Sika biya Akufo Addo ejiye asaban. Adwuma biya omo so omo dey say sika na ye mo kuchire ministry by ministry. Every minister biya should be accountable. Na NDC minister biya so nya accountable to society say. Me so me ba ye no sika say me dey say me nsem me fa nya adwuma. Sa no Ghana ni benya gidie wo democracy ni mu. Enti no wo minister wo honom as railway minister. Sika ye dey ma wo na ye sen. Emu say na odi adwuma sen wokoye kodu we ye national audit ni wi sika ekodi omo ho no ye be hu balance me say Akufo Addo ni na ban 8 years no they cannot account for 10% of monies they accrued
me da say
that it ho sika we ye bi bodi
me da say
when attorney general ati baby there be amanso ene say ene we are say me dey manu we ewa for a purpose
okay
me nanti manu we enka ntumu da
that's it
monya de se efata na nimonyam etise koshia e free bo from say kim
ntimi fabio me da say listo Nana Kusipoku executive director the my good governance advocacy group Ghana GAG one of our things me kase ne da ho mon fa me but finance ministry said there be 8.1 billion claims ne there omni documents are support sa claims no when him say sense me what it be in that then I can their first sense me
that's be wadaruma before I be call the general common so proper no and Ministry of Lands here is central for mu kakra
okay
now it's all about sales of public lands and if you say be state capture one of whom my Ghana say left right center in the last 8 years na obakaya ebaba mu na mampanisi minister say want ba so ku bi na enyi mu hwehwemu
okay
that committee chaired by the deputy minister Ora Alleges Yusuf Sulemana Bole Bamboy MP omuvi omodwumadi ama e the recommendations ko cabinet and so approve recommendations ama guidelines of implementation. Or I started implementing the recommendations the free mobile. Now based on that recommendation the new reforms no Minister Gina Tumi so mampenia man kwanza fe the temporary suspension ban added to sales of public lands so no afi so with immediate effect. Now me nam social media mako say akuyapema branti event
Dennis Miracle
abwaje adan senka NDC and we near badwa and Gen Zs would think there will not be sales of public lands. Oh no, those are that make us say auto more record he knew when he knew one and son above. A dear wooken. Yeah, you know, one was set to question now once.
On test
the war position, young Cassay, your bonnet will be better, my gun assassin. Nimum, ye say Nipa feels by virtue of the privileged position. Sammy Abamu Peniti. Now ye foments as a left right center. About Penia so DNA, the girlfriend DNA, the encouragement DNA, way DNA no dear. Not here, papa. Dear baby, and indeed, from 2017 to 2024 end of year review, 8,160 public lands leases are a go through. No, majority of them didn't complete the registration process.
Wow.
All those incompleted ones,
99% of
all those incompleted ones, as we speak, stand revoked.
Excellent.
Wow.
Excellent.
Stand revoked.
Excellent. Excellent.
Yeah, this answer sitting in our Sadia my Ghana.
Wow. Excellent.
Those are the new.
When your friend Ora,
woman
want to new process and land title, it stands revoked. One more land title, we are going to submit it to value for money and process audit on case by case basis.
Forensically.
Opening.
This is what we call
Kwaku asase war cantonment as private individual. And the matter has maybe 1 million Ghana cedis.
Yes.
Politician, you have a tax as in the last 8 years. You are 140,000.
Wow.
So when your land title, I will revoke it. Because there is no value for money. It is such a offer. This is what we call oral. Yes, offer. Every region in this country had a different from 5. And in the last 8, every region had a different from 5. From 5 years, special format for application of public lands. Yes, every region had different.
How?
It allowed discretion. Obia designing region minimum said the mayor mediafa.
Wow.
And also as part of the reforms and recommendation, you see you standardized form across the country. That will be the form every region will use. Many can say the ministry in collaboration with Lands Commission. Review no be say be upload na obi a person or go through processing e bia no what to me I use to process no they toss me ensa unim say ye mra no na wo hodada no say say of wanya asase wa ha na ya ban asase a yen value based on the market price.
Market value
yen starting from 0.5% to 30%. The discretion of either executive secretary no and a minister no say more far we could say them no fine no mama as we them 12%
and 5%
and 2%. Obrumpo what are you fit as you farmer 1%. And they say be o man no nyina ne o manfo no benya asase no ho mfa so any public land. The upfront payment should be 70% of market value.
Wow. Upfront payment?
Yes, 70%.
Wow.
30% now let's spread it across your time, your period of ground rent, and our ground rent period.
Wow.
We say the work ebeboa.
That's 100%.
Yes.
But the rest of the 30
the best spread down
till your time is due.
Exactly.
Your lease is expired.
We say what is it aton Ghana as I said na just say wo benya chefa no bi nye obi na kwe katasumu mu aso. Another important thing is that the same neighborhood we have different valuation of land. And you say you use one valuation team. All estates in Ghana, you starting from Greater Accra, we know all the prime areas.
Okay.
We have valued, we know the market price. And in your friend I do so obi copy public land the atono obi ko jina ho aka say we the asase we dey value no be 20,000 Ghana cedis when obi value be order that 100,000 Ghana cedis.
Wow. So
standardized valuation prices of the market price.
Until
what cantonment asase should be of almost within the same range. Oko area labonia should be the same range.
Okay.
So the buyer will be using the discretion and undervalue emanintia abine. The try to okrano. Oshe Act 1036 na. And my minister home council tax force be implemented these reforms. No be of you say na application na go through a revoke application na ye just asena my back no. Wontumi change state into any other person tax force na human say the authority of the state will be established.
Wow.
And that task force will be made up of representatives from the ministry, representative of the Ministry of Works and Housing, because representative from Lands Commission, representative from all security agencies.
Wow.
From the military to the last person.
Okay.
And then maybe some individual more more idea about this task force is here to implement all these reforms. And what you say I lifted the temporary suspension ban on your friend is saying public lands. And you're the bonimu Mampenia Tenasia Bajoku, Minister Bajoku no Hwehwemu di akwankyere ba akwankyere ne akwankyere papa akwankyere ne yashasi a ye implement nti yesi ya left band in the Lands Commission free ndere kro all new transactions are public lands must conform with the new reforms no abano ntimi nko to asase na so obi na nko evaluation ntimi nko to asase public lands say nko 0 to 30% ntimi nko to public lands say ono na individually no undetermined price no and nko evaluation it must conform with the new directive to make sure say there is transparency, there is traceability, there is value for money. Ntigana ni bi atia titi NDC fo a mo atia mo yemhihye mo na yemhihye bi anim we yemhihye pa kwankyere pa. This is what President Mahama promised, and indeed he has delivered on his promise.
And the icing on the cake of this conversation is
that Ora is not dead.
Ora is not dead. But beyond that, Masati remember say we be 2 minutes. Say so person will talk about assassin so ebeko parliament ebeko cabinet ebeko yes approvals no eko cabinet eba parliament and so na ko finally minister Manama
even government agencies fancy bia ahanum ye senate and ahanum any of the government institutions na ya mo as na bia purpose and card we won't find you think abaso ni another private institution yes swap 37 now as be the one na DVA for there yes so on the private sector bia swap afi or ko ha to boshe you cannot do that swap without prior approval of cabinet even state institutions and the HSS say modalities now but no
because I don't know when to meet requirement no
and ni na no Aremeyaw Anas by Monday we are publishing names of individuals we are publishing names of companies we are publishing names of institutions omo agents as we feel say anku ya no ya revoke the medical publishing no na for omo timi nya title na no say what say e value for money no say e publish or a website every Ghanaian can go there to see nkofo bi ni bone a omo ye detail wo no
eno be boa pa
okay ya beninti na fe ye mura
many agent pa yes I think this topic here we raise
yes
makuma so adia
akama
omo ya mame when your friend oral
okay
because on say operation recover all loots and yet kasakitwa loot ni bi ni abayen sase titiri hwe omampani bi ti baabi na wadwen say into a certain foreseeable future no omanfo bi hia sase nipa no yebedoso yebe hia say yede sase ni bi beye den ebe develop institutions ahodo so kenye mini okubeto asese o foreign affairs minister
yes
kenye so kantini a kababi otisisi ya wodi ni minister no enko tanko obi chebi lamta ne papa krono nti okoda ewuye efiase yes the charge back no enko fae
enko fa ministry no
what asase no wafa
ko ni ebi aba
wafa se ono wato ye kesika wodi to ye kire wa nipa wu an ye nka na ti asemboni ntia na ne Sammy amebom sum there's only quite the Sammy intimi
Martin does
wo konfa Sammy konfu entino me bo mabaso prof our airlines commission and Raf no director of operations me bo mabaso I have been on them severally because I'm a minister busano me my minister na because I say asase a wa say that's what I do for a living when you say asase we need boy $1 million e cantonment obi si wo your former chief justice obi si wo your former hwan enti wakwa akoto asase no 200,000 cedis
also a director of operation
asase 200,000 cedis no so kwapo we mpia o was it 200,000 cedis no we chiemu 20,000 na the rest of it no
yes
yes no be wu ano we chia na wo bu man for kwase say ya
neighbor go be that
eti ya resre
yin nti yes
na mo me ka bi hia no so ba ko hwe ye from ye sra mo atimota so hwe ho adwuma no na monyama yen
okay
owu family no
ofan kasa dobre
da bia me ya say se me na na busua saase ene ye baji abaji free ensem ya jin saase ni nyina ye nya hwe na abaya ma executive instrument say yenso yenkofa portion bi me yenso yenfa mo ye numa dankrewa omo de ka mesira mo e ka no me ko omo de me ka nti mesira mo na no nya na
owo kara mu
Kabori kasano o se na ma ye ko muti
I told you I will perform
the new reforms na omo de ba no
yes
ye pa me ma se da me wo me documentary amaye and I'm investigation amaye
yes
e wo lands commission efa ensasiri say thank you eti Kabori area me pese me se da de ato asisi area me ni obedi hu nkomo wo so
that's right
because near ekoso lands commission no anodin na make am pese me ko minya
drastic change
yes
are you aware
and we here
prof
and am lands commission na wo mo hwere wo mo nkwa no yeah
we say yes oko wa
che no ba kope
oko wa che me say
of all new
penny
yes
the question the quality of reforms are ekoso nyesa eba ekoso
of all news
look at me work kakra bi
but minister anya cabinet approval and finance minister support amaz afedie IGF bia enya no lands commission ye 100% retention
100%.
Initially, na 67 consolidated fund.
Okay.
Now, 67 years, you find digitizing land governance.
Yes.
Obusunya peni bi ato asase ba kwato ma nipa wotwe. Ohini bi ato asase ba kwato ma nipa wotwe. Obi akoto asase officer bi to lands commission registration keke oye no konebra oto asase na sam obi. But when this system is in place,
yes,
nobody takes anybody's lands.
Great.
Kuro nkubiem. Obusunya nkubiem. Me ba wasase so na so to we just a click of a button. I should be able to tell the coordinate here me gina say as I fine ideas are
great
at the back lands come. So a lot is in there.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.